Have you noticed something strange? Just a few years ago, people were asking, will AI take my job? Today, the smarter question is, how do I make AI work for me? Because by 2030, the biggest gap won't be between rich and poor. It will be between people who know how to use AI and people who don't. Here are the 5 AI skills that could completely change your financial future. Number 5, AI prompt engineering. This isn't just about asking ChatGPT a question. It's about giving AI clear instructions to generate professional quality research, marketing campaigns, software code, business strategies, and creative content in minutes. Companies are already paying people simply because they know how to communicate effectively with AI. It's becoming a new form of digital literacy. Number 4, AI automation. Imagine replacing hours of repetitive work with automated AI systems. Businesses now use AI to answer customer questions, organize documents, generate reports, schedule meetings, and even manage sales pipelines automatically. People who can build these AI workflows are saving companies thousands of hours every year and creating businesses of their own. Number 3, AI content creation. Videos, articles, podcasts, advertisements, presentations, even product designs. AI has dramatically reduced the time required to produce professional content. But here's the catch. The winners won't be the people who simply press a button. They'll be the people who combine creativity, storytelling, and AI tools to produce content that feels genuinely human. That's becoming one of the most valuable skills on the internet. Number 2, AI data analysis. Every company collects enormous amounts of data. Very few know what that data actually means. AI can now uncover hidden trends, predict customer behavior, identify business opportunities, and detect risks far faster than traditional methods. People who know how to interpret AI-generated insights will become some of the most valuable decision makers across industries. And now, the number 1 skill. Number 1, solving real problems with AI. This is where the biggest opportunities are hiding. The people who build successful AI businesses won't necessarily invent new AI models. They'll identify real-world problems and use existing AI tools to solve them. A lawyer using AI to review contracts, a doctor using AI to analyze medical images, a teacher creating personalized lessons, an entrepreneur building an AI-powered startup. Technology changes, problems don't. The people who solve those problems will always be in demand. Here's the reality. AI isn't replacing everyone. It's replacing people who refuse to learn while creating entirely new opportunities for those who adapt. The question isn't whether AI will change your future. It's whether you'll be ready before 2030 arrives. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more science and technology stories that actually matter, like, share, and subscribe, because the future is moving faster than ever, and we're here to keep you ahead of it.